Metaforge is a total solution provider in the forging and fastening industry with specialized product range. Millions of people experience our presence in their lives every single day. And that's why reliable and quality products are our highest priority. With our range of products, we supply to automotive, home appliances, electrical and construction industry. Our wide range of products include special fasteners, pins, studs, automotive fasteners, shear connectors, sheet metal parts, rivets and screws. We make things which are designed in vision and executed in mind. We don't follow the conventional path. We don't know the known theory. We make things with our own principles and we make them especially for you. Because people who use them need the unusual and unthought of. And that's how we make it. Not so conventional but unique. We understand that each customer has a unique requirement and we provide tailored support to address these specific requirements. Impeccable reputation for reliability, quality and strong knowledge base has been the source of our constant growth. We have been providing specialized solutions to ever-changing market requirement. Utilizing our strong technical know-how and reliable technology, we are aiming to be an excellent company which can play an active part in the international market. Most complex jobs can be handled by the modern machines. The plant is equipped with world-class infrastructural facilities like forging, thread rolling, CNC, and heat treatment. It's our strong knowledge base that makes an impact. Metaforge has built reputation in the industry for developing specialty fasteners. They are developed and produced by our expert team which constantly evaluates new innovative solutions to meet the customer needs. We have deployed TPM policy to deliver highest quality products our customer deserve. In-house laboratory with profile projector, metallurgical microscope, salt spray tester, hardness tester facilities ensures highest level of quality standard throughout the stages of production. Quality combined with deep knowledge of the industry is the key success factor of our consistent growth. For more than 4 decades, Metaforge has been providing fastening solutions to top brands all over the world. We have a strong global presence. Our major international market is USA, UK, Germany and Japan. Over the years, we have expanded our product range with specialty fasteners. We provide tailored support to address specific requirements. Every single individual at Metaforge shares a common vision to deliver reliable and quality products. And that's a commitment. Metaforge, cheapless solution to your products.